Hey guys, this is Gabe doing the zoning lens of research for the Woodstock Library. This is going to be a fairly quick run through because there's a lot of information to cover, but I'll cut it as short as possible, include what I can, alright? So, just some basic information with an overview of the fact that there's only one building on this lot, built in 1914 with 3 floors and a basement. This is an R6 building where zoning is separated into 4 different districts: residence, commercial, manufacturing, and special purpose. Where the R6 plot usually includes 2 sets of bulk regulations, height factor, and quality housing. However, we don't need to be concerned about that as this is a facility. The suffix in R6 for 6 mean, or any number from 1 to 10 usually refers to how many times n times the developer can build on the area, on the lot area. P8 is coded building classification from A to Z to define the usage of the building and more of a specification with a number, right? So P referring to a public institution, and 8 meaning the library. And this classification gives the building a higher floor area ratio, which we will get into. This is near a C14 commercial overlay, where the suffix numbers of both C1 and the 4 after it refers to the sort of magnitude of the area, where C1 and C2 commercial districts and overlays, well, that's self-explanatory. They're for commercial developments. The current floor area ratio is 1.86 on the site, and max allowable is 2.34 and 4.8. However, the building uses the higher 4.8 because it's a facility. And it uses the higher FAR. The floor area ratio is the building's total floor area to the size of the piece of land upon which it is built. So the lot, right? So total floor area over lot size. For more specifications, which you can refer back to this when I upload it, the slides, is that the max floor area is allowed floor area with full lot coverage is 34,800 square feet, right? There is really no height limit, but it is controlled by the floor area ratio, which would generally be 6 stories with full lot coverage, as referred to back in R6 primary zoning. There is the open space ratio, where the more open space there is, the taller the building. Goes back to the height factor bulk regulations, which just revolves around this right here, where the more open space, the taller the building. Public institutions apparently don't need to be concerned with height factor or quality housing for being in R6 zone. Alright, so if you're going past this, there's some local laws for zoning, so just in case, I just wanted to put that in, see if it informs some sort of design, where local law 97 affects any building greater than 25,000 feet and sets in a set of regulations for energy saving measures, implementations, and penalties for non-compliance, so allowing for more sustainable development. And a couple of different laws also solidified this. And you can check the summary for local law 97 on the Urban Green Council site. And this one sort of just talks about urban agriculture, assessment of land. Here's some neighborhood information. That's pretty much it. Thank you.